Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the changes coming with Bill C-86 and how they are impacting the electronic services for the Trademarks Opposition Board. This video is designed to be a guide to request a confidentiality order. Either party may request that some of their evidence be kept confidential. To do this, they'll have to request a confidentiality order where they must explain why that information should not be available to the public. Requests for confidentiality orders are available for Section 45 opposition and objection proceedings under the general correspondence option. Please note that this transaction will always be available. However, it is up to the user to know when and if they are eligible to make that request. For this presentation, I'll be submitting this transaction under this Section 45 proceedings. Let's begin with the request for confidentiality order. Log into your TMOB e-services account. Then, on the left side of the screen, click on the General Correspondence tab or scroll down and click on the link. Select the search criteria. For this example, I'll be selecting the application number. Enter the application number and search. Now select the application and click Continue. Then select the Section 45 proceeding and continue. If you're an agent, you'll see this screen. If you're not an agent, you will not see this. Once in the General Correspondence Request screen, go to the drop-down menu and select the Request for Confidentiality Order. Here, indicate whether you are the registered owner or the requesting party. The user must add a statement or attach supporting documentation. Please note that you should refer to the practice notice regarding any supporting documentation which might be required for your request. Confirm that your request has been copied to the other party and click Next. On the Review and Confirm screen, the user will be able to see a summary of the transaction. Once reviewed, confirm and add to cart. From the cart, the user can now proceed to submit this transaction. This concludes the transaction, and as you can see, it's very simple. It is worth noting that the request itself will be available to the public, so bear that in mind as you write your request. Moreover, and before you submit your confidential evidence, it is imperative that you wait for a response, as any evidence you submit before your request is granted will be made of public record, which will defeat the purpose of the request. This concludes the tutorial on confidentiality orders. We hope the information has been useful. Should you have any questions regarding the functionality of this new transaction, please feel free to contact the Trademarks Opposition Board. Thank you.